Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Beach. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp. The camper also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this vehicle comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Down below, the camper sits on 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. This California Beach comes with a manual pop-up roof as well as a roll-out awning finished in a black housing. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a heated rear window set into the tailgate, and the vehicle also features a removable towbar. Taking a look behind the tailgate reveals a vast amount of storage space. There is also the option of an extra storage cupboard on the left hand side. Joining me in the rear passenger area there is a comfortable 2-seater passenger bench, as well as a single hob burner with a kitchen prep space that folds out of the side. There is also another storage cupboard beneath this. The rear passenger bench can be folded flat, providing a very large and comfortable sleeping area. And once the roof has been deployed and the upper bed has been lifted up, there is a very spacious amount of headspace as well. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the quadratic seat trim covers, plenty of leg space for all passengers, and in the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to connect to all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This camper comes with climatic air conditioning as well as a heated rear window. Further down to the left there's a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.